This video is for writing classwork, lesson 2 classwork, weather and climate. And then book back, detail answer 4 and 5 we have to write now. So you can refer this video and write classwork and book back questions. Okay, students? First, take the in-text page. Already you have written for a first lesson in text, right? So now serial number 2, date 10/8/2020. In topic weather and climate, write the page number also. Then take new page after the first lesson. Write lesson 2 in that top, date 10/8/2020. After that lesson 2, leave one line. Write the topic weather and climate. And then leave one line. First Roman keywords. Leave one line. First one weather. WEATHER weather. What is this? Weather. WEATHER weather. Then leave one line. Second one climate. CLIMATE climate. Second one CLIMATE climate. Then leave one line. Third one equator. EQUATOR equator. Third one equator. EQUATOR equator. Fourth one distance. DISTANCE distance. DISTANCE distance. Then leave one line. Fifth one season. SEASON season. Fifth one SEASON season. Students, you just split that page. Near to first one, write sixth one global warming. GLOBAL global warming. WARMING warming. GLOBAL global warming. WARMING warming. Global warming. Seventh one tundra. TUNDRA tundra. Eighth one frigid. FRIGID frigid. FRIGID frigid. Ninth one temperate. TEMPERATE temperate. TEMPERATE temperate. Then 10th one torrid. TORRID torrid. TORRID torrid. See the first one weather. WEA weather. THER weather. Second one climate. CLIMATE meet climate. Third one equator. EQUA equator. TOR equator. Fourth one distance. DIS dis. TANCE tens distance. Fifth one season. SEA sun season. Sixth one global warming. GLOBAL global warming. WARMING warming. Eighth one tundra. TUNDRA tundra. Eighth one frigid. FRIGID frigid. Ninth one temperate. TEMPERATE temperate. Temperate. Tenth one torrid. TORRID torrid. Then leave one line. Go to second Roman. Draw a mind map for heat zones of the world. Students, for headings you should use color sticks. Okay. Heat zones of the world. There are three types of heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. What are the three types of heat zones? Torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Then go to next page. Next, third Roman comprehension. Students, if you can write this, you can see and write. Otherwise, you can refer the book page number 30. You have that para. Human beings have been clearing forests to build cities and burning fossil fuels to run vehicles and industries. This has resulted in less rainfall and an increase in air pollution, thereby causing a rise in temperatures all over the world. This is also known as global warming. Concrete buildings in cities absorb the sun's heat during the day and radiate it back into the atmosphere at night. Big cities with such buildings have a warmer climate than the surrounding land. First question, write any one main causes of global warming. You can write any causes. Here I write cutting down trees. You can write fossil fuels, clearing forest, like that. Okay. Then second question, what is global warming? Answer, global warming is the process that causes the earth's temperature to rise and makes the earth warmer. Human plays a large role in the increase in earth's temperature. Then leave one line. Third question, concrete buildings in cities absorb the sun's heat during daytime. Answer, daytime. Concrete building in cities absorb the sun's heat during the daytime. Students, classwork is over for lesson 2. Now we can write book back detail 4 and 5. Okay students, take your book. Take book page number 37. D and E question we want to write. Name the various heat zones of the world. Write about the torrid zone. Already in mind map we have seen no heat zones of the world. There are three types. There are three heat zones of the world. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone lies between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. It receives the direct rays of the sun and is therefore hot throughout the year. Name the various heat zones of the world. Write about the torrid zone. There are three heat zones of the world. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone lies between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. It receives the direct rays of the sun and is therefore hot throughout the year. Then E question, write about the temperate region and the desert region. Temperate region. This region lies between the tropics and the Arctic and Antarctic circles. Winters are cold and summers are mild. This region has 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Temperate region. This region lies between the tropics and Arctic and Antarctic circles. Winters are cold and summers are mild. This region has 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Next, desert region. Deserts are normally found around the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. They have very hot and dry weather with little or no rainfall at all. Desert region. Deserts are normally found around the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. They have very hot and dry weather with little or no rainfall at all. Okay students, the lesson 2 is over. We have written classwork and book back exercise also. Already we have written book back exercise page number 35 and 36. And then map work page number 38, 39, 40, 41. Everything we have completed. So lesson 2 is over. Both classwork and book back exercise is over. Write it. If you have any incompletion, make it fast. Complete your lesson 2 fully. Both classwork and book back. Send the photo to me before 7 p.m. on Monday. Okay.